I'm not sure exactly where we left off. This slicer project has gone on for way too long. It was supposed to be a quick refresh. It turned into a complete restoration of the slicer. It's working. We got it temporarily set up on a table. I got a scale, I got some butcher paper, I got some wax paper, I got some tape, some rags, kitchen rags, and we're gonna cut some meat here. So we got a cold cut style cooked Virginia ham that we bought at the restaurant supply. I'm gonna slide it in. I got the slicer on. Now I know you're supposed to use the guard, but I don't like to use the guard. I like to hold it like this. When it gets down low, I would use the guard, definitely. We haven't used this, so I'm not sure where we're going to adjust it. I'm going to go with a half a line and see what that does. And there's our slice. That's the end slice that you kind of burn off. We'll give that to the dog. Put that over there. I'm going to go a little thinner, I think. My wife likes it to be very thin. That's even a little thick yet. That's pretty good. Oh yeah, we're getting there now. That's nice, right there. That's the one there. That's actually what she likes, where it's starting to tear apart. So we'll put my scale on. Pounds, there we go, 0.3. Now I know the people, you say you're supposed to let it fall and not have your hand under the blade. Here we go, half a pound. Half a pound, Robbie. Want to try a piece? Cameraman's got to eat.
Get the burnt piece or the end piece for him.
Oh.
Huh? Oh.
So here's that end. Gunner. Gunner, come. What I got for you. How's that? All right. Dog approved. 2 more pieces on there. So we're back to our half a pound. I should have left it on the scale. Take our butcher paper. I think I bought butcher paper that's way too wide. But we'll see. It's been a while since I worked in a deli. So let's like that. Go over. Over like that. Tape. Got a marker. Half-pound Virginia ham. Awesome. This has been a really good project. Now I need a better scale. I need a little bit bigger of a scale. I got my wax paper. I'm good there. The butcher paper, I went with a 24-inch butcher paper. Probably should have went 18 inches. It's a little big for what we're doing, but we'll get by. We'll use it when we, smoke briskets and stuff like that. The ham actually tastes really good, right, Rami? Kind of liking it. We're going to try different brands and different hams and turkeys and chickens and different things that they have at the restaurant supply. But I'm happy. This this project is done. And let me know in the comments below what you thought of our slicer, restoring this 1940 Globe Slicer series. It's a Model 75. This was Uncle Sam's slicer from the Schneider Meat Market in Brooklyn that he had in the 50s, 60s, and 70s. And we're going to cut our own cold cuts from now on. As always, thanks for watching.